The perfect lava cake is a balance of a firm outer shell and a rich, molten heart. Today, we make it from scratch.
Whisk 2 whole eggs, 2 yolks, and a quarter cup of sugar until the mixture is pale and leaves a trail. This creates the cake's structure.
Gently fold your chocolate into the eggs. Sift in 2 tablespoons of flour and a pinch of salt. Fold until just combined, do not overmix.
Start by melting 4 ounces of high-quality dark chocolate with half a cup of unsalted butter. Stir until completely smooth and glossy. Pour into prepared ramekins and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 12 minutes. Timing is everything.
Let it rest for 1 minute. Serve immediately for that signature molten center. Perfection in every bite.